beyond recall. It's the story of injustice the world has never heard. It should have been remembered, should have been a household word.
You almost felt the terror and the feelings that the people that were trapped must have felt. I'm shaking because it really is so moving. That will stay with me, I think, for some time.
I loved it. I think the soloists were amazing. The chorus, of course, is super. So, to me, it was a magical evening. Loved it.
At first, it was obviously a sad emotion with the disaster itself, but going through it, I'd probably say there was joy of being Welsh and being from Wrexham, being from a town that, you know, we could come through this, become a bigger and better town because of it.
So we owe it to those miners who lost their lives that day to make sure that their memory